Welcome to Sweet Cooking with Sophie. Today we have a special guest. This is Chloe.
Hi guys.
So today we are going to be making coconut cookies. I've never made these before, and these are a special request from Elise. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get to our recipe now. So let's go over what ingredients we need. We need 1 1/4 cup of flour. We need half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, a half a cup of sugar, and what's this?
Coconut.
So yeah, this is our special ingredient, coconut flakes, and we need 1 1/3 cup of them.
Yep.
So let's get started. We have to preheat our oven to 350, which we are doing right now.
Yep.
And then we need a baking tray that has been lined with parchment paper. So we have that done. Now let's get started. So first we need a bowl. So we have that. And we need to combine our flour and baking soda. So let's pour it in.
Sure.
We also need to add our salt. Let's get that. Salt does not want to come out. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, so now we're gonna take our whisk. Do you want to stir?
Sure.
So now, once we're done with that, there you go. That looks pretty mixed up and ready. Yep. So now we're gonna set this aside for a little bit. Just gonna put it right there. So now we take our big bowl, and there's our oven going off. So if we wanted to put the cookies in now, don't suggest it because it'd just be flour, some baking soda, and some salt. But you can now. So let's start by putting it says, in a medium bowl, cream the butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until smooth. So creaming
Yummy.
is where, I know, right? Sounds delicious. All
Yeah.
the sugar. So now first, let's put in our sugar. More sugar, so brown sugar.
Perfect.
And butter. So you are going to be needing an electric mixer. You can either do a big stand mixer, but for today we're just going to do a tiny hand mixer. So cream it until it is smooth. So first
You do that.
we're going to start it up and running, and we are going to cream this until okay, and let's get it on. Now we are going to cream it until smooth. So we're going to see when our stuff has been creamed and smoothed out. Okay, and we're back. So we did mix this up. A little tip though, either cut your butter really small
or use
use
these.
one of
It helps
these,
a lot.
because the butter would not mash up, and we had to really work and stuff. But now it looks really good and it's super smooth.
So good.
So yeah, now let's get back to our recipe. So let's get back to it. So now it says, beat the egg and vanilla into it.
Where's the vanilla? Here's
This vanilla.
So I'm going to pour the vanilla
Put it into here. So now we have to beat this. So now we're going to pour it in, and then we beat it until it is very light and fluffy here.
Just stab
Close, clean it up. Just my sous chef for the day.
Move things out of the way.
She's so good. So tidy. Whenever she's sing.
Okay.
So now we have to beat this until it is light and fluffy. So here, would you like to do some?
Sure.
So keep on going around in circles. There we go. So now I'll look at the next step.
This actually looks really good.
Oh, that's looking delicious. Guys, I am so excited. And honestly, I've never really gotten to try a coconut like
Same.
cookie before that much.
Yeah.
So, but I do know my dad loves it, so he's super excited about these cookies.
Yeah, I bet he
Yeah,
is.
that looks really good.
Should I
So
stop?
yeah, here, there's a stop button. There you go. Okay. That looks
Yum.
delicious. Now we have to
Do we have to?
we have to gradually blend into this flour mixture. So would you like to pour and I blend? Okay. So pour like a third of it in. There you go.
Wait till that's a little mix.
There you go.
Add a little bit more.
Ooh, this is looking so good. Go add
Should
some
I
more.
add some more?
There you go. Ooh, it's definitely becoming doughy.
Yes, very.
Ooh, getting hard to stir. Okay.
Add some more.
Yes. Do you want to add all of it?
Sure. There we go. Put this bowl to the side. Man, that is some dough right there.
This is looking good.
It is so hard to mix.
Turn it up a level.
Here, I'll hold the bowl while you.
Thanks. Okay. Make sure mix it until it is starting to stick together.
Yeah, definitely.
You
And
want
try
it
to get
be
all
red
the
dough.
powder.
There you go. Okay. Good.
Should we get a spoon maybe?
There we go. We're gonna take our spoon and poke it out.
Like so.
Good. And now, special, most important ingredient
Is the
coconut.
coconuts. Yummy.
So I'm gonna get our spatula. Now, do you want to pour it little by little?
Yeah, probably that would probably be a good idea. Like that.
Yeah, here, put some more in.
That was a lot.
So this is gonna be a lot of coconut.
Yes.
Whew. Honestly, why don't we just use this?
Yeah,
I
that
think
would
that's
probably
gonna be
be
so
easier.
much easier.
Yeah.
Okay, pour some more coconut in.
That's what's that.
Now it's doing better.
There we go.
That's so much easier. So yeah, just use your hand mixer for this. Oh yeah, is that looking so good, Chloe?
Yes, it is.
Put our spoon back in. Okay. Now, yeah, Chloe's like, she
I
loves
love
it.
baking, guys. I bake with my cousin all the time.
What have you guys made?
We've made a Barbie cake. We would like make rainbow and like you add a Barbie into it. It's so cool.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to get our sheet and then we will get started on putting these into the oven. So, okay, so we got our baking sheet and our dropper. I love this.
Yeah,
You
it's
just
really
push
good.
it, and then it comes out. So now I'll do the first one, then Chloe, I'll hand it off to you.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, now do our next one. So just like, there you go. Okay, then drop it right there next to it.
Some small cookies and some big cookies.
Oh yeah. We'll just add a little to that.
More.
because you want them to be mostly the same size so that
Yeah.
they bake evenly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, go. So now we're gonna get our rest done and then we'll put them in the oven for, let's see how long it says.
About, I'm guessing, like
What do you wanna guess?
probably 20 minutes.
20 minutes, 8 to 10.
Wow.
So about 10 off, but it's okay. So now, once we get these all on our sheet, it should be about 12.
Yeah.
We will put them on and put them in the oven. Okay. Cookies have been in the oven, and the way you'll know that they're ready is now, after they come out of the oven, we leave them, they'll be ready to eat.
Yeah.
This is sweet cooking with